Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Long hair to short bob. Very nice. You got a French girl bob style here, and it's just above the shoulders. And then we got the layered bob haircut trend. You can all thank TikTok for that one. Then we have someone with a bob gorgeous pixie makeover. I love the color and the fullness of the cuts. Wow, absolutely stunning. And then here we have someone chopping off their hair. So she has some long, super long waist length hair. Looks like she's getting a bob. I love her top. The bob is so cute too. Ooh. Hair is gone. And we got another gorgeous bob. Very cute. So she's going to be getting the old money style bob. This is very popular. We can all thank TikTok for this one as well. It's pretty much a way of saying classic bob style. It's bob with volume. And it's very cute. Highly requested look at the salon. Oh wow, this is a really interesting hair color here. Oh wow, pixie with the purple ends. That's cute. Alright, next we have another chop. Bowl cut shape pixie, very 90s inspired. And this is a pixie that's going to give you some volume too. Very cute. So here we have another chop. Looks like she's getting a bob. Perfect amount of fullness. Very cute. So here we have someone with some grown out color. Looks like she's gonna chop off the color here. Ooh. Oh, she looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the pixie. I'm loving the all white platinum. Wow, she looks radiant. And I love the fact that she just embraced her white hair and just cut off the color. Beautiful makeover. So here we have someone, it looks like she's getting a pixie here. Now her hair is on the thin side. Her going shorter is definitely going to give her a more thicker appearance within her strands. The stylist does like a nice textured cut here. Oh my God, I love how this cut is showing off her cheekbone, her bone structure within her face. She's got a beautiful square jawline. And she's got a cute little mixy haircut here. This is a play on the baby mullet trend. Oh, I love the way that this came out. Very cute and trendy style. So it looks like we have a nice textured pixie for the next one. This is another cut that's going to give you a lot of volume to the hair. So cute. And this would be a really nice wash and go style that you can wear during the summer months. Really low maintenance. So we leave things off with this super cute pixie makeover. I hope you guys have enjoyed these gorgeous hairstyle ideas that you can rock at this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.